Think I got the chance, and I ain't gonna waste it. Honey dripping romance.
From the moment we met, my life began to feel lighter. Somehow, without even trying, you became my safe place and my favorite person all at once.
Whatever comes next, I am grateful I get to do it by your side.
This is our time. It's a crazy cosmic journey. I feel fine. Something's so right.
I promise to build a life with you, to dream with you, and one day to create a family filled with love, laughter and warmth. The same love you've already given me.
There's no waiting, hesitating, baby. This is our time.
Mr. Lachlan and Christine Heineke, I pronounce you as a husband and wife. Lachlan, you may kiss your bride. Longer.